Hey guys, welcome back. So around winter 2018 I got the opportunity to do a modded PC build for the client in the States with a Castlevania theme. The system was shipped early this year, but sadly arrived in the States with severe damage, and even so I reshipped some of the parts, it was a lost cause. So eventually the system was shipped back to me in June and had even more shipping damage, so I basically had to scrap the whole project. But since I put a lot of effort into the build back then, I decided to at least create a build video out of the footage, and actually this video is a thank you for one person who supported me back then when I was hardly getting any vendor support. So this video is dedicated to Manuel at Thermaltake Germany, which I can't thank enough for all his support. So thank you Manuel, I owe you a lot. And I promise you, this will be the first of several videos over the next weeks and months where I'll be reusing the parts you sent me. A short disclaimer though, some of the footage isn't as equal to my recent videos since I was shooting with different equipment back then, but I still do hope you'll enjoy it. So let's get into it. Let's briefly go over some of the parts we used in this build. The case we used is the Thermaltake level 20VT. Motherboard is the ASRock Z370M ITX. The CPU in this build is the Intel i9-9900k. For RAM we used 32 gigs of Corsair's Vengeance RGB at 3200 MHz. The GPU was the V-RTX 2070 OC. On the cooling side, the system runs a dual custom loop with 2 Thermaltake P1T5 pumps and 2 Pacific C240 radiators, as well as a W4 CPU block and Pacific V-RTX GPU block and 2 Pacific R15 reservoirs. PSU is the Thermaltake Toughpower Grand 850 watts RGB Sync Edition. For all parts and the ones I didn't mention, you'll find a link in the video description. Well, that's it for this one, guys. I hope you liked my Castlevania PC project. Leave a like if you do, and don't forget to hit that bell notification for future updates. See you in the next one. Bye.